Hello everybody. Let's have a look first at the crypto market and see what's going on there, because there are a few things to mention. So for Bitcoin, as we can see here with this Binance Basis Oscillator, we can see we are in the red zone. So that means that the price difference between the spot price and the futures price is getting way extended. So too many people are trading on leverage. And so as we have seen in the past, this leads to local tops. So this is a zone to be careful of. Can we go higher? Of course, but if you want to take profits, then it's definitely a good moment to do so. So we had an all-time high over here. I marked it in green, so this is on the 12th of March. We did try to push above. We just barely closed above it, and then the next day we did come down, and now we're tumbling down again. And now we're gonna have to see if we make a Fibonacci retracement from this high. Now we're gonna have to see the 0.618, what we will do there if we get there. But usually Bitcoin does retraces quite often back to the 0.618, so it's like 70k. So we're gonna have to see what happens there if this becomes resistance. Let's see if the volume can already tell us something. No, that would be at the value area high, so we're gonna have to see there. Let's see, volume weighted average price. Okay. It's a bit too early to see for now with those few candles. But for the moment, it's resistance. So this is one to follow up. So what happened then on the 1 hour chart? Then we can see Bitcoin, we're still in a long position. But for Ethereum, we got a sell trigger. So this was 2 days ago. So Ethereum, that's now a short position. So this one did flip. Then let's see on the daily chart, because here we get some mixed signals. If we go to the ATR TSS, then we got a sell signal over here on the 5th of March, and then only a few days later we got a buy signal again, and then to get out here on the 15th of March. So that looks like it's with a small profit. Yes, 4% profit. And now with the pump from yesterday, we got a buy signal again. So let's see, this will also be a small profit for this one. So on the close of yesterday, yeah, that's a 1.57% profit. So now we get a buy signal, but if we look at the turtle strategy, then we can see we got an exit signal yesterday, and it will stay like that. We're gonna need to make for the moment new all-time highs before the algo will kick in and start buying again. So let's see, strategy tester. So what did we get? That's more or less 41% of profit. 43, 45, yeah, depending on where you take your entry from. So this was all over here, so beginning of February until now. So this was a very, very good trade. And we're out of here, and so that's a nice confluence with the chart, with this indicator we have over here, that we're already getting overextended. So it's indeed a very good moment to take profits. Ethereum, on the daily there, we are still in a long position, but we are coming down, and yesterday we already touched the trigger line but didn't close below it. So this is definitely one to watch in the coming days. Solana, for the moment, nothing special. It looks we're making new highs, so this one can still go up a bit. And then XLM, also this one starts to come down, and yeah, the trigger line is still below the buy signal. So let's hope this one ranges a bit longer before collapsing. Then at least we can take some profit over here. Then XRP, yeah, was also a bit with mixed signals. So the last one here, we got this pump up. Then we get a buy signal, and then it gave everything back. Wow. So that's a pump of 18%, and we gave everything back. That doesn't look good. Anyway, ICP here with my new trading strategy based on the fair value gaps. I don't know. This still doesn't look good. So I'm really gonna have to see this algo perform better before I really implement this and put more money into it. Because here we got a long signal, and then meanwhile we are already, let's see, buy signal over here. We are here now, minus 8.5%. So still not good. So far this one hasn't been profitable. Right, then let's see, gold did perform very well. So in the run up we have been buying, and then today we get the exit signal, and luckily we get it on a green candle day. So that means we get the exit and we close out in a bit more profit. Then silver, as I did expect, this was a bull flag, so a pole flag. We got a retest and it acted as support. And now we're almost back at where we were on the 4th of December. So now we have all those green and red lines below us. So let's hope this time this zone will act as support, and then we can finally go up. Then the general markets. So Nasdaq, a bit the same story as for Bitcoin. So we make a high on the 4th of March, and we could barely close above it. Just it took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. And then we did close above it, and then we got rejected again, and now we're again below it. And now it looks like this all-time high from 18,377 is resistance for today. So yeah, we're gonna have to see what happens here, but so far it doesn't look good. So we make this high, we come down, come up, fail to make a new high, get rejected, make a new low. So this looks like it starts to become a downtrend. So be careful. Euro USD. Let's see. We got a short signal over here, buy signal over here. So this one is with a small loss. So currently in a long position. Then crude oil. What did we get here? 2 entry signals over here, and then exit over here. That looks like, probably this one was a loss. One win and one loss. And then when is this? On the 14th, we got a buy signal, and then today another one. And then let's have a look at the copper. Copper starts to do very well. So buy signal over here. We got, this was a 3% candle. And then also for today, an extra buy signal. So yeah, it looks like copper starts to break out. We had this range here, and now we're out of it. So we still can come back and to retest this zone and then go further up. So it looks like commodities start to form bullish trends. So those are the ones to watch from now on. So maybe we will get a sell-off in the stock market, and then in the meanwhile we get pumps in the commodity sector. Then stocks, Apple. For the moment, plus almost 2.5%. No signal. Adobe, we got one buy signal, and we did retrace a bit. Amazon still in a very long position. This would be already like 30% up per trade. So we got 2 trades, 2 times 30%. Alibaba, nothing. Walt Disney still in a long position, but also looks a bit toppy. We made a high here another high, couldn't close above. And then here finally on the 4th of March we did close above, but got rejected immediately. Tried to come up on the 13th, rejected, and now we're back at the same level. Yeah, interesting. Alphabet, nice pump today, 6.5%. And we did buy the bottom over here. So this would be more or less, if we take the middle, this is a 12% profit. MasterCard also bought at the bottom, still in a long position, nothing to close out yet. And then McDonald's. Oh yeah, right. There was this buy signal on the 21st of February, and then this dump of almost 4%, and there we got closed out. Unfortunately, but yeah, that's how it is. Then the second page, Meta, also still in a long position, bought everything at the bottom here. Microsoft, do we still have positions? Oh yes, also here, very nice indeed. Nike, nothing, just coming down. Nvidia, also no signal for the moment, still in a long position since beginning of January. Palantir, got a buy signal and then an exit again. Tesla, for the moment 6% up, but no buy signal. We're gonna have to see some more strength before the algo will kick in. Nasdaq we already discussed, and then the S&P, it looks like it's similar to Nasdaq. Also here you can clearly see that we get some horizontal resistance, and it looks like we're having difficulties to get over this. Right, then let's have a look at the algo trading. So for the moment, $3,000. So that means we already 3x'd the original amount. So let's see, currently, as we discussed, still in an Ethereum long position, Solana still long, and then XLM. And then here you can see the Bitcoin trades, which got closed out. So yeah, this one is doing very well. So if you want to copy trade this one, you can find ATR trading on the Bybit copy section. And yeah, maybe I can welcome you as a new member, new follower. All right, okay, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.